How is it going, everybody? All weather New England here, and I'm here with your forecast for Winter Storm Ezekiel, or for the rest of it anyway. Monday evening, some impacts. That's because a lot of the snow has kind of dissipated, but the storm is going to gain some strength over the waters and turn into more like a nor'easter-like formation. So with that being said, Monday overnight, high impacts here because we're going to be talking about heavy snow, especially in eastern locations of New England along the coastal areas. This is particularly for Boston, Massachusetts. Tuesday morning, a high impact commute, slippery roads, as we do have the potential of 3 to 6 or more inches of snow. Tuesday, late through the morning, early afternoon, we have some impacts. The snow is starting to wind down a little bit, and then later in the day on Monday, little impacts because some of the roads still could be a little bit slippery, but for the most part, the roads should be clearing up. We have some pretty good plow drivers around here. So here's the current storm. This is the motion of it. You can see that it is snowing in a lot of Massachusetts right now, Connecticut, through upstate New York, and that rain and snow line really starting to push over into where my little cursor is. You can see that rain and snow line along the I-95 starting to push back towards the east, which is going to allow some more colder air in and produce some more snow. So here's the motion of the storm. You can see it does exit New England sometime tomorrow afternoon into Wednesday morning. It's still going to be snowing some parts up here in Maine, but Massachusetts, the coastline, snow should be pushing out tomorrow afternoon. Now when it comes to additional snow accumulation, we think north of Boston there is still the potential over 6 inches of snow, 3 to 6 for the I-95 here, southeastern Mass. Places like Lawrence up here again, 6+ inches, Boston 3 to 6, Orange, Springfield, Worcester, near Hartford, you're on the line here, 1 to 3 inches. In the outer skirts of Cape Cod here, really anything from just a coating to an inch, maybe even up to 2 inches. And then less than an inch of snow accumulation expected as you head out towards the Berkshires. So now let's go ahead and take a look at the overall forecast for New England, and where I am expecting the highest of the snowfall totals is to be here in southern Maine with the potential of 8 to 12 inches of snow. This could even be extended a little bit up towards the northern area of the coastline. 6 to 8 up here again, Lawrence, the New Hampshire coastline here could be experiencing up to 6 to 8 inches, 3 to 6 for Boston, some parts of northeastern Rhode Island, again Maine getting included in there, 1 to 3 inches for most of New Hampshire, parts of Vermont, western Mass, and upstate New York, and again could be talking about 1 to 3 inches of snow here. In New York City, 3 to 6 inches is still possible, and then anywhere out here northern Vermont, less than an inch really, not much of a whole lot of accumulation is expected. So our impacts here, gusty winds is a medium threat. We do have the threat of some gusty winds, possibly up to 20 to 30 miles per hour. Snow, heavy at times, especially during tomorrow morning, Tuesday morning, which could delay some schools in the Boston area and possibly even cancel it, although I doubt cancellations will happen, most likely delays. The mix with the rain is pretty low because we have that rain and snow line pushing towards the east, which is going to allow that much colder air to come in and produce this into an all snowstorm. Coastal flooding is low. And I am still watching the Saturday, December 14th storm. This is an old model, so completely ignore that model for now, but it is still a while away, and we're going to keep an eye on that. A lot of our models have calmed that down now. Again, that model I just showed you was from a couple days ago, so just ignore that for now. We'll keep an eye on that storm as it gets closer to that time. Alright guys, thank you so much for checking out on All Weather New England. Have a great day.